Wow, this is a busy morning though. Busy, busy. Let's go and get some Jamaican breakfast, yes? Fabulous. Start the morning off right. I need a plate. I need plates. They have no mangoes? That's crazy. He loves mangoes so much. Thank you for the thumbs up. Well, early because we did on the breakfast train. Ben, good morning. You're early too. Look, your man. Jesus. Fried dumpling. Then you know that. You already know that. Mm-mm. Good morning, Paul. Fried dumpling, banana. You know, long. Jesus Christ. You know, long me not have banana. I go and know new friends. Let's see what else in our way. Everything. Chicken stew. Yeah. Guys, brown stew chicken. Is a little bit of everything me I take up, you know. The plate here, it's a couple like a mini buffet. Yellow yam. Oh my God, I know you're lying. Errol, morning. Morning, guys. Welcome in. This is what they have over here, so now. Baked potato. Oh, this come like an omelet station. If you want omelet and them thing there. Then me could have really be a Jamaica and I eat omelet, you must be crazy. You must be crazy. Oh, I do like this too. A little baby hot dog. Road soup, me say, guys. I do like that. Them have bacon, hash brown and them thing there. Oh. Same thing over here so too. Look at them have pumpkin, guys. I could get this a pumpkin now. God almighty.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, I'm good. How are you?
I'm blessed. You?
I'm blessed as well. Thank you. Aww. Alright, over here, so them have like French toast, pancake, and them thing there. Boiled egg if you want that plate full real bad. Check in from Brooklyn, okay, guys? Big up on yourself top of the morning. Come have, you know, some Jamaican breakfast with me. Yeah, take up everything. Egg station, this nice, eh? So there's something for everybody. Just in case you don't want all of that, there's something for you. Amazing. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Alright, make we see the juice bar. Because you know I want some juice. I have to go circle back though. For the juice, them have green juice, smoothie, orange juice. I want that strong back. I want that. Hey. No, Aki. What you mean? I forget me, Aki. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for liking the live. Me, I forget me, Aki. That's a must. You know, good, so. Because of how she talked to me, so I respond back. Fruits, kiwi, and then hi. You're good. Kiwi, pear, almond, thing, the green apple, pineapple, and all of them. So, where the breadfruit, they don't have that. Maybe they have it later. But almighty, I will never find my family now. Oh, Lord of mercy, God. Them also have, thank you for the thumbs up. Them also have, what do you call it? Cereal or cornflakes? Yes. Nuts and them thing there. Guys, me are giving on the grand tour, you know. Whole day today, me are giving on the tour of everything we are going. Bread and something. Alright, we are gonna come back for you, juice. Make me watch them have porridge. Me mama. Guys, them have lemongrass tea. I don't me have to go get lemongrass tea and cornmeal porridge. Oh my God, I know you live. So me have to go back to this. Don't be greedy, alright. I'm sorry. Streaming from Jamaica. Alright, let me look for my family. Alright, me sit in. Let me go put on this. Me I go get some lemongrass tea. I go get some tea and come back. Me not tell a lie, the cornmeal porridge, me don't know. Me happy, me a long time me not drink porridge, yo. Me happy get some of my porridge. Me I just get one little scoop of porridge. Me just I get one little scoop of porridge. Me not have porridge in a so long. Me happy, I don't know if them are gonna have it tomorrow. So me happy get it today. Thank you. Wonderful. Me I forget it today. Porridge look thin. I that with you. I that with you, Sir Mike. You don't know your limit. Alright, I think that good. Can I go eat so much? Yeah, me not really want, you know, overdo it. So I could just work with that. I am so excited, guys. Hey, you know, say me I go rate everything, you know. It can pass. But you are porridge specialist. You know, say me I go rate everything. So wait for it. Wait for it. Put them on. Wonderful. Let's go. Well, I make me get to no stand. The porridge yellowish. Them not have no what? Liver? No, they have them have brown stew chicken. You like my hair? Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Cool. Big back. What say you know what you do? The waiter come over already? The waiter come over already? Then I have peppermint. Guys, they don't have peppermint tea. Have to go down. You want to see it good? You want to see what we have? Brown stew chicken. No, we have to eat everything. Alright, I could try the porridge first. Alright, so it's smooth, well refined. It looks like so them use the good cornmeal. It looks like so them use the good cornmeal. What it missing, you know it come down. So them coulda take a little bit more nutmeg, vanilla. Like me I taste the cornmeal strong. Me I taste the cornmeal really strong. But me not taste like, you know, when the porridge season, like that flavor there, the nutmeg, the spice. Me not taste that. It come like a just sauce of cornmeal. Hey, yeah, may I have fever grass tea? Okay. Yeah. Guys, me not tell me like the accent that confuse me, I don't know. No, yes, that's exactly it. So, ackee, I could try the ackee now. I haven't had ackee in so long. I want to try it by itself. Let me try saltfish. Hold on. No. Guys, first thing first. Cool. Cool. Well, the ackee cool. Thank you guys, thank you for being here. They're actually cool. They're not gonna try pancakes. Thank you. Guys, no, I wouldn't act normal, no man. Cool. Alright, them have pak choy or bak choy, what I call it. I could try that and see. Cool. Even though it depends the heat, so you call it, still cool. But it tastes cooked. Me taste the, you know, the black pepper there. You make it come like you want to sneeze. Yeah man, then load it with black pepper. And you kind of throw it not cook out too much, so that's good. No new friends big up. Make we try the yellow yam. Like, you can't mess this up. You can't mess this up because basically yellow yam in a water with hot water. Alright? Okay. Ryan, that's why I go on the plate. The yellow yam, it's not bad. It's dry, which is a good thing. You know when them say yam dry, it's good. Let me see me turn on the inside. Dry. Sir Mike, you come here already? Eh? It's dry. Why? It look better than how it tastes, to be honest. Alright. We also have banana, green, ripe banana. Let's try it. Cool. Jesus Christ. They're not gonna like me. I'm gonna try. They're not gonna like me. Cool. No, them have to go down. Them have to go down. Make we try the alright. Fried dumpling. First we have feel. We have feel the dumpling soft. That's a good sign. See this? It look like a good dumpling, you know? Hey, you're from Denmark. Hi guys, thank you for the thumbs up. Alright, so you know when it come like dumpling or rice, when dumpling or rice and it's tight, so and the outside of it warm, the inside cold. Next we try the brown stew chicken. Guys, we are giving you the review of everything. Brown stew chicken. Let's go. That is true, Henry. Amen. Let me see. Yo, the wala uno a food critic. The wala uno a food critic. Me not ask. Uno just get me, like uno just look on the food and uno just know. Alright, brown stew chicken, right? The color, yes, it up that. When I look on the chicken, it look like say it would have nice. You know, brown stew chicken like up the like the home cook, the country style flavor. But yeah, so you put so guys, it look like say we have to go get egg and bread. We get sure. But even so be the case, me know say everybody a cook. It's like what you call it? You're cooking a bulk for a lot of people, right? So you would expect at least the food hot. Good morning guys, welcome in. I'm giving you everything. I remember so when I do I'm giving you a live tour and all of that. See, a testing a look. You see that? This is, hey Jean, this is RIU. Fresh. Which is fine because I have sugar. Which is fine. So No, I'll be doing a lot more streams today. I'll be doing a lot more. This I tend to arena one. Maybe I'm gonna eat egg and bread, guys. I'm just saying, okay? The beach, beautiful. Beautiful beach. How much spoon of sugar you normally put in a tea? Eh? You don't ask, but what? The way you think. I true. It's like just no overall, you know? So don't, yeah. It fresh real bad, then I put no sugar at all in it. And you see sometimes them sugar here too. Sometimes them sugar here too. Sometimes them sugar here too. You know all that sweet. 2 spoon, okay. Not no bad. That's good. 2 spoon of sugar good, that's fine. Hola, hi guys. Thank you for everyone that thumbs up the live. This is actually starting off my birthday celebration live stream. So this is the first live for today. I will be going live to show you guys the property, the beach, you know what else they have to offer here. So make sure if you haven't subscribed as yet, do remember to subscribe, turn on your post notification bell. I will be posting a lot. Guys, guess who we meet? Okay, so I am so excited. Who know Winford Williams? Who know Winford Williams from On Stage? My boss. No, yo, my boss. Yeah, lemongrass tea. RIU Bay food was not bad. Been there twice. Is that where you are? No, I've been to RIU Bay too. RIU Bay not bad. Thank you guys. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Yeah, he hosts. He have like a show. Can you show some of the? Yes, I will. I will be showing you guys the hotel. So stick and say, all right, this not bad now. We'll work with this. Ocho Rios. Last night when we come in, what did Winford say? Winford said if you keep watching his show. Winford said keep watching his show. Me have a picture with him because I know I have a say like me. I tell me take a picture. And me I go post it. Watch. Me read. We don't know so when I meet Winford and read. Oh, Winford Williams. He hosts On Stage. Yeah. He interviewed like a lot of people, social media personality, music, artists, just anybody overall. Mostly from the Jamaica spectrum, Jamaican stars or upcoming stars. Yeah, I think so. Oh, thank you guys! Oh my gosh, thank you so much. No want to see the tour? I have to go give the tour of the property. Good day, welcome in. Thank you. I've seen, yes, he interviewed Chronics, he did Vibes Cartel. He do a lot of people. Good day. Hello everyone, welcome in. Thank you so much for the birthday wishes. My ear say. Oh, I'm here with my family. My ear say, on the beach, them have a jerk out, so later we're gonna go up on the beach and eat jerk chicken. Them have jelly and them things there, so yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for the birthday wishes. So which part of the hotel would I want to see? Like, I post some shorts already. I know, right now, new friends? We're growing. Thank you, everyone. Make sure to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell because I will be going live a lot today. You want to see the swimming pool? Okay, definitely. Happy birthday. Thank you. Ooh, my brother just texted me. them leave out, then depend them way I come. I am so excited. Oh my god. You hear the word property most Jamaican tea. Uno funny. Okay, hi. Uno greedy. But yeah, guys, make sure no the food, like, from no see it. It look like the food would have taste 100. You know, it look like the food would have shot, but why? Why me not tell that? Thank you for thumbsing up the live. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Yeah. You put off. And this, me did have it right. But why? What wrestling, man? Why? Yep. This, one of the best things here. The lemongrass tea. I love it. I'm enjoying that. Grand Rising. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Yo, I appreciate you all so much. Everybody. Just when you say happy anniversary. That is so cool. But yeah, they should have shows tonight. It's rich. Alright, me done. They should have show tonight. Me don't know if they might have like a cultural show tonight or whatever the case may be. But like me say, me I bring on, me I show everything, the whole day. Bring on the pool and jerk chicken hut on the beach, the bars, you know, have to see the bar, the bartender them. They have to big up the bartender them. The bartender them, they know how to make drinks. They know how to make drinks. And I don't know, so I don't really drink like that, but when I taste the drinks, I know if I drink taste good, and that's it. Me? But it is not. If it was, I would. If it was, I would. Yeah, no, no, hear me? Are you in South Africa? No, we're in Jamaica, guys. But, you know, see? It's a lot. This is what the place is looking like so far. And if you guys missed the beginning of this live, you can go ahead and watch it. The live replay where I show you the buffet and everything. All I food them with them have. You know, you can catch up on all the live replays and all of that. Thank you, Roshan. Yeah. No new friends. No new friends. They always are watching numbers them. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. You done? Alright guys, let's walk. Let's go. Let's go now. Let's go. We are gonna tour. We are gonna tour the place. Thank you. It's my locks. Let's tour. Walk with me. Me say the food, guys, the food cool. I'm not exaggerating. You big up yourself, chef. Yeah, I did. The food cool. But the waitress was good, so you know me big up she completely. And this is the outside area, so if you don't want to eat on the inside, you don't have to. You don't want to walk the beach with me? Right there? Yeah. It's beautiful here, it really is. Wagwan, you good? Yeah, man, big up, big up. Oh, over here, sir? Okay. All right, guys, so we're going to start with this side. We are at RIU Ocho Rios. And, Jesus, Anika, you can do it, man. RIU Ocho Rios in Jamaica. I showed you guys their breakfast buffet, and later I will be showing you lunch. Ooh, going to the pool. The food was cold all the way, guys. Like me not know if breakfast did start. Me come down too early. Me come down too late. I will. I will. Me I go back and deal with them. Yeah. Cause them have to know. Uh, Yeah, me I go deal with them. So they can fix that. Cause that's not something I want to put on them review, you know. Cause I know they can do better. I've been here before and the food was much better. So I don't know what happened. They can do it. So right here, you know, pool chair for days. Love it, love it, love it. This nice. Thank you everyone that's thumbsing up the live. Yeah, yes, things like them that know you have to tell them because if you don't say anything, they think it is accepted and it is not. So I always try to tell them off the ear. This is beautiful. I think they're gonna have the entertainers come out, our playmakers come out like at about 12 o'clock. They're gonna have um, activities, entertainment. Yep, morning. It seems like them still do local work here. The last time when we did come here, them never did finish over this side, but it open up now. Yes, yes it is. It open up now and it looks so good. Me not lie, this nice. So inside the pool, them have the little lounge chairs. It's very cool. No, it is not. It is not cold. The temperature today like 79 degrees. It's good. Nice. And over there, so to them have, if they want to play pool, volleyball. Well, them have pool for everything. Over here full of pool though. Yes, yes it is. Yes it is just. The clouds look dark. No, not really. The clouds good. They also have a site called Rio Land. Let's go and see. Because when we did come over here, is it far? Oh my God. Look like it far. We have to walk. Okay, no problem. Not a problem. We'll go up a slide then. You're welcome, Ryan. Thank you for watching. And thanks to everyone who thumbs up the live stream. It really helps my channel. Everybody who subscribed, thank you all so, so much. Like I said, I'm here. It is my... We are they're too far, guys. The Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi drop off. Ay, ay, ay. Real hotel. All right. Me they too far, so I end up disconnect from the Wi-Fi. So we now go can get figure up at the other part. Seductive. Are we back? Can you hear me? Where are you? Allah, tell no more. No bother with it over here. No bother with it over here. Yes, over here we have the sandals. It used to name Adrul Duns River Beach Resort and Spa, but them change it. Yeah, I think sandals by it out here now, so that are them neighbor. God for real, Jaja. Well, a good thing we have um YouTube, right? It's still bad. I am trying, guys. I am trying. May I get back closer to it? Ah, Jamaican flag always make me feel so good. All right, so over here them have a water sports center. So you know, in case you want to do like some water activities, you can do that. Them have a look like a catamaran thing. You can go out there, out at sea. Have like a little boat party. You know, you can do that. That's not bad as well. That's nice. Um, book your tours with them. All right, wonderful, wonderful. It's the coconut trees for me. And over here, you see everybody just sitting and chilling. Let's get a closer view, shall we? Yes, we shall. Yeah, yeah. By the way, fire beat me, them now make me be great. Them now make me be great at all. Oh, they did have an explosion. Uh, Hawaiian. You always have that one guy I try to sell your weed. On the set up and all of that. Yeah. Jamaica. So beautiful. Guys, any chance you don't get, make sure say you don't visit, okay? Yeah, it is necessary. And that way there you too commenty. You too commenty. Big up on yourself, guys. Jamaica nice. Follow from Brazil. Where's everyone from? Where's everyone from? Pick up yourself from Brazil. Okay. Blue skies, yes. Yes. Blue skies. Me just a wait pan them fi come out with USA and Brazil. Okay. Me a wait pan them fi come out with the jerk chicken. And that me really a wait pan, you know. The jerk chicken and the jelly. And then me a wait pan fi come out with it. To be honest. Blue sea, right? Let me can zoom in to show you guys look better. It's gorgeous. Jamaica nice, guys. Jamaica camp paradise. I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? You love the view? Yeah. You love the view. You're from Papua? Where's everyone? Where's Papua? Where is that? Jesus. Back at the class. Back at the class. That's crazy. There's sun. Oh. Wonderful. Screenshot. Yeah, I know me handwriting look like a prescription. My handwriting. Yep. At this point, I'm a doctor. It's crazy. It's fine. From Germany, Russia. Okay. You're from Reds. Okay. Indonesia, radab, straight at our bellies. Stay away from the coconut trees. Achoo, 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 achoo. Let me stay away from the coconut trees. Me don't want no jelly dropping on my head. But overall, though, in a coconut tree, them no coconut. Well, another one, yeah. But you know, sometimes you have the leaves, them get, I don't, the leaves then get dry and rotten. So relaxing. Like, me could I just stay as and just, right, you are so welcome. Gypsy, I like, honestly, me feel the same way. Honestly, me feel the same way. Just sit down here so and I enjoy this. It's sun a shine. It is not too hot. Light breeze blowing here and there. And just the voices of the people. Wow, it is so refreshing. Like, you need this, you know? Very peaceful. Thank you, guys. Has anyone ever attempt to climb the coconut tree? Nope, not me. I doubt with you. You know what they say? Um, when you go to Jamaica for even visitors, you know what comes out 9 months later. I that them say so. They say what happens when you go to Jamaica? Either you come back pregnant, you come back engaged. Yep, true. I'm telling you. Oh, you want a 360? All right, you got it. Perfect place to get conceived. I know, right? Yep, you go to Jamaica, you come back with gift. Beautiful. Thank everybody who thumbs up the live. I appreciate it so, so much. Each and everybody who subscribe to my channel. You see, before we take off. Big of yourself, Johnny. Yeah, Johnny, always I give me work. I can't just sit down and relax. Eh? I can't just sit down and relax. Sure, man. No limit, man. Jamaica, nice. Water settings and the water. All right, limit. Where is this? This is RIU Ocho Rios. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's everything, honestly. Yeah. Guys, if you haven't followed me, make sure you follow me. Rum Earth on Instagram. Link in my bio, okay? You more link in my bio. Once you go to my main channel, you see my link, just follow me. Thank you. Yeah. But guys, me have to go now because the family soon there, so me have to there with them. To greet them and stuff. I will be going back live again today. So make sure say put on a notification bell. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please do that. I know me have to bring on, we go get some jerk chicken and we see entertainment and everything will go on. And other parts of the hotel too, because this is just like one local part where I'm showing us. So yeah. But thank you for joining me. Thank you for having breakfast with me. Well, somewhat. Somewhat. And yeah, me definitely I gotta talk to them people about the food right now and make them know say so hopefully tomorrow will be better. And yeah guys, big up on yourself. I love everyone. It's gonna be a great day. Okay? Okay, bye. Get a screenshot with them. Yeah.